subscribe this channel. Student, today we take the practice set 3.5 of the chapter circle. The first question is, in the figure, ray PQ touches the circle. PQ touches the circle means that PQ is the tangent to the circle. At point Q, PQ is 12. PQ is 12. Find PS and RS. Now when we observe carefully into this figure, then the solution is, here is length of PQ is given here 12. We have to find out, and also PR is given 8. Find out here PS and RS. For this, here is PQ is the tangent. Ray PQ is tangent at point Q. Ray or segment SR or SP, segment SR is secant to the circle. So that by using tangent secant segment theorem, we have to take PQ square is equals to PR into PS. So by using tangent secant segment theorem, this is the last theorem of this chapter. By using this, we write here, therefore PQ square is equals to PR into PS. Look carefully, PR into PS. Then we substitute the values. Value of PQ is 12. 12 square is equals to, PR is given here 8 into value of PS we have to find out here. Then I have to write this square such way that 12 into 12 and transpose this 8 to this side, convert as denominator is equals to PS. Simplify by using 4 2s are, then 4 3s are, again 2 1s are, 2 6 are. Means that 6 into 3 is 18 is equals to PS. Means that PS is equals to 18 unit. Then we have to find out RS. How to find out? Look carefully. PR plus RS is equals to PS, because the in between is property P dash R dash S. Substitute the value. PR is given here 8. We have to find out here RS is equals to PS is 18. 8 transpose to this side, therefore RS is equals to 18 minus 8. What is the subtraction? Is 10. Then answer in full sentence. Here we have to find out PS and RS. The value of PS is equals to 18 and value of RS is equals to 10. Okay, we see the next question. We see the next question, question number 2. In this figure, chord MN and chord RS intersect at point D. Inside, intersect it. Now first one is, RD is 15, DS is 4, MD is 8, then you have to find out DN. Now student, I will take the solution of the first one directly. This is given here. RD is equals to 15, DS is equals to 4, MD is equals to 8, then DN is when it intersect internally, then this product of this chord of the two segment means that dm or md into dn is equals to, here is rd into ds. rd into ds. We have to substitute the values. md is 8. dn we have to find here. rd is 15 and ds is how much? 4. Transpose this 8 to this another side, then dn is equals to 15 into 4 upon 8. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, then 2 7s are 14, carries 1, take decimal point, 2 5s are. Mean that dn is equals to 7.5. Therefore, answer in full sentence is that answer, the value of dn is equals to 7.5 unit. Then we take the second sub question. Is if RS is given here, RS is 18, MD is 9, dn is 8, and you have to find here ds. For this, student, here is RS is given. We have to use their part. So I have to take this part as is. Let ds is equals to x. Therefore, rs is equals to rd plus ds, because r dash d dash yes. Now the value of rs is 18, rd you have to find here, plus ds is x. When we transpose this x to this side, we get that rd is equals to 18 minus x. Then here this chord intersect inside. So chord mn and chord res intersect inside the circle. Therefore, by using theorem of internal division of chord, this theorem is that here is md into dn, or you have to start this rd into ds is equals to md into dn. Substitute the values. rd is 18 minus x into ds is x is equals to md is 9 into dn is 8. Then the product of this one is 18x minus x square is equals to 9 8s are 72. Transpose to this side, we write also minus x square, then plus 18x minus 72 is equals to 0. Then changing the sign, we get that therefore x square minus 18x plus 72 is equals to 0. Student, find the factors of plus 72, which having addition is minus 18. This is so simple, 12 6 are. So I have to split for middle term. Therefore, x square minus 12x minus 6x equals to 12. Mean that these two is both are positive, so these two values are acceptable. So that here we have to find out only value of ds. So answer in full sentence is that answer. ds is equals to 12 or how much? 6. Can you understand? We see the next question. Let's see the question number 3rd. In this figure, O is the center of the circle. B is the point of contact of this tangent AB. Segment OE is perpendicular on segment AD. AB is 12, AC is 8, find AD, DC and D. Okay, here its solution is that. In this given, AB is 12, AC is 8. We have to find AD, then DC and then D. These 3 points we have to find here. For this first point, I will find out the segment AD. Now for this segment AB, ray AB is tangent and segment AD is secant. Therefore, by using tangent, secant, segment theorem. Look carefully. By using tangent, secant, segment theorem. By using this, one is we write here AB square is equals to AC into AD. AB square is equal to AC into AD. Substitute this value. Value of AB is 12 is equals to AC is 8 into AD we have to find here. Then again I have to transpose it to this another side. We write here 12 into 12 upon 8 is equals to AD. Therefore, I have to write here, therefore, we have to divide it by 4. 4 2s are, 4 3s are. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are. 6 3s are 18. Means that 18 is equals to AD. Therefore, AD is equals to how much? 18. Then we find out the next one is DC. Now here is AC is 8. We have to find out DD. DC. How to find for this second DC? DC is equals to question mark. Here is AD is equals to AC plus CD because A dash C dash D. AD is 18 is equals to 8 plus CD. I have to write here DC. Transpose this, we get that DC is equals to 18 minus 8 is equals to 10. Mean that DC is equals to 10. Student, here given is that segment OE is perpendicular on segment DC. This is given. We know that the theorem. The perpendicular drawn through the center of circle bisect the chord. So that by using this, I have to write this statement: perpendicular drawn from the center of circle. Center of circle bisect the chord. So that here is DE is equals to half of DC. Half of DC. Substitute the value of DC is 10 here. Therefore, DE is equals to half of 10. We simplify it. Therefore, DE is equals to 5. So, write the answer in full sentence. Answer. First, we have to find out the value of AD. Means that AD is equals to how much? 18 unit. Then second one given 6, QR is 10, PS is 8. You have to find the value of TS. Then here is this segment RQ and segment TS intersect external. But for this, first I have to find out the value of PR here, because we use this PR. PR is equals to PQ plus QR, because in between is property P dash Q dash R. Therefore PR is equals to PQ is 6 plus 10. Therefore PR is equals to 60 units here. Student, this chord, here is chord or segment PR and segment PT intersect in point P, external. Therefore by using theorem of external division of chord. Now this external division of the chord is PT into PS. PT into PS is equals to PQ into PR. Substitute this value. PT first find out here. PS is 8, PQ is 6 and PR is 60. 8 goes to denominator. Therefore PT is equals to 6 into 16 upon 8. 8 1 8, 8 2 16. Therefore PT is equals to 12. But we have to find out the value of TS. When we look here, PT is equals to PS plus TS is equals to PT, because P dash S dash T. When we put this value, PS is 8, TS find out here is equals to 12. 8 transpose to this another side, TS is equals to 12 minus 8. Therefore TS is equals to 4. The answer in full sentence. Answer: the value of TS is equals to how much? 4 units. Can you understand? We see the next question. Next question, question number 5. In this figure, EF is the diameter, segment DF is the tangent segment, and the radius of the circle is R. Means that radius is R here. Then prove that DE into GE is equals to 4R square. Student, very important question. So simple, look carefully. All of you know that tangent is perpendicular to radius, means that this angle is also right angle. So I have to use all these conditions here. Now first, in this solution, write here radius of circle HF is equals to HE is equals to R, which is given. Therefore the diameter EF is equals to R plus R is equals to twice R, because this is diameter of circle is twice of its radius. Then student, here is DF. Segment DF is tangent at point F. Line DGE intersect the circle at segment theorem. Therefore, by using tangent secant segment theorem. This theorem is that df square is equals to dg into de. Suppose that this is our equation number first. Then in this triangle DFE, in triangle DFE, angle F is equals to 90 degree because by using tangent theorem. So that by using Pythagoras theorem, we write here hypotenuse is D, means that DE square is equals to DF square plus EF square by Pythagoras theorem. Substitute this value. D as it is equals to DF is as it is, and EF is equals to EF square is equals to EF is twice R, so that twice R square. Mean that twice R square is equals to 4R square. I have transpose to this another side also. Therefore, DE square minus DF square is equals to 4R square. Can you understand this? Then I have to substitute the value of DF square also, dg into d, from equation first. DE square minus dg into d is equals to 4R square. Reason is that from equation first. When we observe carefully d, we take common here.